Hello all! We're gonna cook us some beef ramen. And we got 2 packs of beef flavored ramen noodle soup from Maru-chan. Maru-chan! We're gonna cook these 2 packs of beef noodle soup right here. I'm a little bit hungry. You know, you go out to work in the morning time, and by the time you get to the house in the afternoon, and your stomach is saying, "Hey, what y'all doing over there? Come on, we gotta go eat." And so, well, there you go. Let's put some water down in this metal pot right here. And here shortly, we're going to put some fire up underneath of there. I hope it cranks up. Let's try it. Come here. Come on, fire. There you go. Yeah, this time it fired up. Now we're going to let this water get to a boil. And then we're going to put this Maru-chan ramen noodle soup beef flavor down in there. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. I like ramen. And I especially like ramen from Korea. You can get that up here, thereabouts, if you go into the right Oriental store. Most times it's not there, but a lot of times, if you're lucky, you can get that. Oh, your fire, heat up now. People's hungry. Gotta get that beef flavor ramen. Where's your chopsticks at, people? Hold on. Here they are. Let's stir that water around with your chopsticks. Maybe if you stir that water around with your chopsticks, you can hurry up. Oh, hurry up. Okay. Alright. You know, we gotta step away from that boiling pot of water, otherwise it ain't never gonna boil. Alright, after about a little bit of wait, maybe 5 minutes or so, here we are. Gotta clear that timer over there on the oven. Here we are. We're gonna put the noodles down on that hot water. Come here. Open up. Okay. There's 1 pack of noodles. Set down in that boiling water. Here is the 2nd pack of noodles set down on that boiling water. We gotta reach into the packet and we gotta get the beef flavoring. Oh yeah, can't forget the beef flavor. There we go with that one. Here's the 2nd one. Oh yeah. Look at that. 2 packs of ramen, 2 packs of flavoring, and we are cooking. Let's push that down into the boiling water. We'll be good to go here in about 10 minutes. Say about 10 minutes. I think so. Shelly. Oh, nice. All right. Me and the Korean missus in the winter time, we go down to this one little restaurant in Kunsan-si, South Korea. And we would always, never ever, we would always get us 2 bowls of this ramen. In the winter time, ramen is the best. It'll warm up your bones and make you feel good. They had a heater in the middle of the restaurant. Yonton heater. And we would always stick our toes up underneath it. We would always stick our toes up underneath of that heater because where we lived at, it was cold. We had many nights when we wake up in the morning time and our toes was cold. We'd run down to, on the weekend, we'd run down to that restaurant and we'd always poke our toes up underneath of that heater. Wonderful times. I'll never forget those times. These days, my toes are freezing and I ain't got no relief. Good Lord above. If the Korean missus was here, I'd put my feet up between her knees and try to warm up. Oh God, those days are gone though. All you got your own feet. God damn it. Oh well, here we go. We got some nice hot ramen. There we go. Let's turn the fire off up underneath there. That'd be good. We'll be good to go. Alright, thank y'all for stopping by and doing a little bit of reminiscing with us. Hopefully y'all's got a nice woman to put your feet up on underneath of her knees and keep your feet warm. We'll see you next time. We'll see you next time. We'll see you when the sun comes.